Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So this video now is going to be Small Bales 2024. All lovely and clean now. And all a mess on the ground. Can rot out in the field now. So here's the Bale elevator. The old lister. Used to be petrol engine, but it's been converted to electric motor. And see, you throw it off a trailer onto this, and this takes it up for you to a stack. we only have well, it's an old hay shed and a small yard, so we can't. There's no space to actually use like a flat 8 grab in the actual shed, so we're still using the old lister. And actually have a extension for it. Needs some repairs, and wouldn't mind the newer ones. We have fiberglass belt guards. Wouldn't mind a pair of fiberglass ones instead of these. This one's gone a bit rotten right here. This is still alright, but like in some nice fiberglass ones, well, we don't have to paint them or nothing. Would be quite nice on it. If you find some then. It's been converted to some car wheels. You can see the old rim is still there. Just had 2 holes drilled through it and a couple of bolts. So we used to, run some the worn out tires on it, but they weren't bad. And we actually got given these. As you see, they're actually brand new. You can see the little rubber, you see the little dimples all around it. It's brand new. Can't be that old really, that is brand new. We wouldn't think that anyway. Let's see, we're made in USSR. Ah. All the old kit is getting some attention today, so we're ready to go. The little repair I've done is the spring was missing for this feeder fork. You can see it there. Seen one before then, it actually, missing spring actually pinged up so much, it hit some holes in the top here, so wanted that to be fine on ours. I need to sharpen blades on the knotter again. Little Dexter's all ready as well, and the haybob behind it's ready to go. Here's old Lister hay elevator, being converted to electric motor years ago. Need to tighten the belt a bit. It's been greased and chains oiled, so well, need to I've oiled those well, WD-40. Need to slack them off and tighten it a little bit. Should be fine then.